great desire, burning like a fire. What you gonna do when it crumbles down? Watch it get higher, down to the wire. Will you let it burn till we almost drown? Higher, goodbye, honey, where do we lie? Where you're headed, am I going there too? I don't wanna ask why, wanna give this a try with you. And if you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go alone, 'cause it's a big pill to swallow, but you won't do it on your own. And if you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go alone. I don't care what happens now, where we go, how far and how. If you wanna go, I'll follow. Your heart set, I don't wanna jump half-hearted. Gotta get your feet wet, gotta give what you get. I don't wanna finish where we started. Like the river flowing, tell me where we're going. Take me to a place that's brand new. Every second growing, time feels like it's slowing with you. And if you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go. Till I get up.
Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to try on this back cornrow braided wig. So I've actually introduced this style to you before, but in plain black. My client wanted it in this. This is black mixed with 27, and this is how it looks. I've actually introduced to you this blend or these highlights before in different styles. So just comment down below if you love this style and if you love this wig and the color as well. So if you're interested in this wig, guys, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below and my WhatsApp number. Just in case you're interested, contact me on WhatsApp. Just take a screenshot of what you want and share it on my WhatsApp, or you can order directly from my website. I ship worldwide. This is how it looks. As you can see, it's a very simple style. It has a band at the back just to make it more secure. So for this style, I don't always add combs. You can just wear them like this without the combs. They're very secure. So this is medium size. I always make small, medium and large. Since my head is medium and also my client's head is medium, this is how it looks and this is how it fits. So always just select your size as well.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So guys, that was it for today. Just comment down below if you love this style and if you love this color as well. Again, just check the description box down below if you want to order this wig. See you in my next video. Bye.
Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.